Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less, here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us this morning. What we've got here is a 2020 Volvo. This is a V60 cross-country all-wheel drive wagon. It's 2020 with 8,000 miles. You can see it's a pearl silver color, really nice looking exterior color. They do a good job making all of the exterior trim in gloss black, so really good contrast. And you can see it's a cross-country. It's got the fender flares and black trim around the car, so really good looking. Again, only 8,000 miles, so condition's absolutely excellent. It's exactly what you'd expect out of a current model year vehicle. So only thing that separates this one from a new one is basically window sticker price. So let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about it. This one does have the climate package with front and rear heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Only 8,000 miles, so again, we'll take a look down here at the driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. No issues to talk about condition-wise. Let's take a look at the interior. That's a dark charcoal color. It's leather, of course. So you can see the navigation is active. That's the brand new touchscreen infotainment system that they put in these now. Harman Kardon audio. You can see that speaker grille. But interior is in fantastic shape. Nothing to talk about there. It does have the panoramic moonroof, which we'll see again from the back seat. That stretches out basically the roof of the car. So you can see back seat's in great shape, nothing to talk about there. Big panel roof. Take a look through at the cockpit here. Really good looking. So again, 2020, 8,000 miles. You can see all of the photos, description, optional information, everything else you want to know about the car. You can check that out on our website at eimports.com. If you want to own this one, give a call here to the dealership, talk to somebody who knows about it at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.